Okay, this is a rainwater detection unit with the 15-in-1. It's called Project 37 Fun with Water. This is what it looks like. I've calculated without the water, it gives me about 21 hertz frequency with the oscilloscope, and it's quite loud. So what you do is if you can see properly, that thing here has salt water in it, and when I turn on my my oscilloscope, I should be able to get a higher frequency with the electronic kit itself. See, here's the wire. Here's the electrode. I touch the wire. I touch the water. Just wiping off my finger so I don't contaminate anything. Now watch what happens when it doesn't calculate the frequency. Watch what happens when I put this electrode into the salt water. And we can add more salt water to increase the conductivity. Look at that now. Turn it back on again. That's very cool. Thanks for watching. Chan out.